Okay.
And peekaboo.
More like peekaboo.
More like Pikachu.
Manny just asked me, "Are you guys up?" And I'm like, "Yes." What do you think? I'm gonna be sleeping on a Friday night at 11:13.
Wait, tell them. Say, yeah, are you?
It's not funny. That's not.
Kylie!
Was that really a real laugh, Nana?
Here's the bust of ass.
That was really dumb.
Kylie, stop!
Bust
I'm
of
gonna
ass.
tell my mother.
Man, gosh.
Kylie's so rude.
So rude.
Kylie.
I think you should go on the
thought your toes was
on
a
the
cat.
PL.
Yeah, we should. Your toes.
I'm a dialogue.
Wait, thought my toes were what?
A cat for some reason. Like I just saw something with it. I was like, a cat.
Ew.
You're a cat. Ew.
A cat.
Can I throw a pillow at your forehead?
No pillows at me.
Yes, pillows at Kaylee.